Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Boeing was a tricky one for me today. I traded it from a disclosure standpoint. I don't own anything currently in it, but I'll definitely be watching it on Friday. And I was really liking the setup. And then all of a sudden, the just surge right here happened where this thing just went bonkers, came back upwards. Now, whether or not that's a sign of true power, I mean, the jury's still out on that. But yeah, that kind of transformed the chart here a little bit. But nonetheless, the level that really stands out to me going forward that I'm very curious about is that area right down there at, let's call it 170.75, which is basically that key level of support where the price came down there, hovered around a couple of times, but can never quite break down through there. So I'm going to be watching that very closely. Now, like I said, maybe this level won't come into play at all if there's a gap up and it just continues to roar upwards. But yeah, there might be a situation where if the price gaps down, or who knows, maybe over the course of the day, trends its way back downwards, then that's a level that, myself and a lot of other traders are going to be watching, because that's just a very kind of straightforward technical point. And one of those areas where, no such thing as a guarantee, but if the price gets down there and breaks below that level, especially if it's a high volume break, then it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price then break down through this, the lows right down here around 170. But as of right now, just, the price has got to, clearly pull back a little bit for that level to become relevant once again. But on the flip side of things, from a breakout perspective, the level that myself and I'm sure a lot of other traders are going to be watching is right up there at 176.50. And that is just from this former area of support. And there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And with the gap down today, they were broken. And you can see, generally speaking, that's right where, after the price closed the gap upwards, then pulled back. So 176.50 going to be another area that, in case that level doesn't come into play, then from the long side of things and, those looking to play the breakout, that could be a very interesting level right there. So all in all, those are going to be the two main levels I'm watching on Friday. So let's see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.